Let's fill the bees feeder up. Here's the hive today. They are doing really good. They are in and out. But yeah, let's go ahead and start undoing the top and get to filling up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get the lid off. Now, I'm probably not going to wear gloves just because I'm not doing a full hive inspection. So, I'm probably not going to wear gloves, so hopefully I don't get stung, but yeah. Well, there's one out. Alright, here we go. It's still a little sticky from propolis. Oh, there they are. Okay, on second thought, I am going to put on gloves. Okay, I'm going to sit you down right here. And there we go. Got my gloves on now because they just, I don't know why, but here we go. Here the girls are. We're not going to disturb them too much because I really don't want them to get mad at me since I just did a hive inspection not long ago. And here's a little view of them. They are crowded along this little part because I put some pollen patties and they are loving that. But here's a quick little overview of them. They're down in there. Pretty good. So now we're going to get to filling up. Now I'm going to sit y'all down and hopefully y'all can see me. I'm going to grab the feed for them, which is just sugar water. And I'm going to get to filling up. Now we're going to go ahead and put some of this pollen patty in there, because as you can see, they are loving it. And we might have to get some of that paper out for them. So, here we go.